Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install, blend, and style this beautiful U-part wig from True and Pure Texture. This is definitely one of my favorite wigs as it matches perfectly with my hair texture and it's just so gorgeous. So I'm going to start with my hair freshly washed, and it is a little damp. It's just easier for me to manage and work with when my hair is damp. And now I'm going to be separating my leave out, and with this wig you could choose to leave some hair out or you could actually not leave any hair out. But I want some bangs, and I do already have bangs, so I'm going to be leaving some of my hair out. And then I'm just going to start braiding. I'm going to do 2 cornrows. I usually do 4, but I was a little lazy today, so I'm doing 2, and it honestly works the same exact way. I know it looks a little lumpy, but you will honestly not be able to tell. You just got to tuck your hair away. And now I'm just putting the braids up so that they're not hanging down my neck. And I'm just pinning them with bobby pins. So this is the wig. This is their Sasha Curl True Part Curl Type 3BC. It has clips at the top, little combs on the side and bottom, so the wig stays secure at all times. So now I'm just going to be putting the wig on. Like I said, I'm just going to be clipping at the top near my leave out, and then on the sides and the back. I love how easy it is to install this wig, and it makes it even easier at night to take off when I want to let my scalp breathe a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but this wig also lays super flat on the head, so even near the leave out, it doesn't even look like I have a wig on, which I love. It's so perfect. I also love how natural the curls and the hair looks. It looks exactly like my hair. So it comes in handy when I don't feel like dealing with my own hair, or I just want to give my hair a break, or even if I just want a different look and longer curls. This is the perfect wig for all of those things. It's very versatile. So now that I got the hair installed and put in place, I'm going to be blending my own natural hair with the wig, and I'm just going to be wetting it a little bit and using the same routine that I use when I'm doing my wash and go. So it's wet, I'm going to be combing it out, and I'm going to be applying my own product that I use on my hair. So now I'm just going to be applying the product in my hair, making sure that there is enough and that there is no frizzy parts on the hair. And once I do that, I'm going to scrunch to activate the curls. And then I'm going to diffuse for a quicker dry, and also for my hair to get even curlier. So now that it's dry, I'm just going to be separating it a little bit, separating the curls and just making it blend with the wig. And as you can see, I didn't really have to do much because my hair matches perfectly with the wig. True and Pure has different textures. This is their 3BC curl type, but they do have other types. But now I'm just playing around with my hair and just styling it to my preference and to my liking. I'm choosing to have more of a side part type of look with bangs, but with this wig, I love how you could literally do any hairstyle with it. So this is the final look. The hair is so beautiful. It matches so perfectly with my hair, and I love that. I love having inches. I love the curl pattern, and I hope that you guys also like it as well. I will link the hair down below in the description. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys on the next video.